Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am happy you are here. Happy holidays. Happy New Year to come. Let's make 2021 a good year, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's going to be a good year for all of us. We are channeling a little Mack Mack today. That's what I call my friend Miss Sarah Mack. I watched her do a beautiful pour night before last, and she inspired me. So Sarah, thank you for your inspiration. She is one of the first pouring artists that I started to follow at the beginning of my painting journey, and she's continued to inspire me. Sarah, I thank you. Merry Christmas, Sarah Mack. We're working on a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. It's a nice size. I love this size. I love the 20 by 20s. And I'm excited about this painting because it's got a lot of my favorite colors in it. Let's talk about our colors. Our base coat today is going to be this. Now, the reason I chose this, I had so much white paint mixed up, and I thought, you know, Kathleen, start using that white paint. But I don't want any little white measles. Measles, I think Jen Neal calls them measles. All those little white little specks that pop up generally when you torch your pour. So we won't be seeing a lot of this underneath because I'm hoping that my cloud pour covers the majority of the canvas. But I thought, you know, I got a good amount of this, and we'll go ahead and use it up. What that is a mix of the DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl with some squirts of the golden fluid turquoise in it. And then just for funsies, I add a little bit of my good luck paint, my golden fluid iridescent pearl. And then for funsies as well, I got this in the mail today. I added some of the Vallejo, I hope I'm saying that right, pearl medium. I have used this before. I've used this alone as my base coat, as well as mixing it with my pouring medium. Our pouring medium today is Floetrol and water. I am out of my GAC 800 and I'm out of my mix pour. So I use strictly Floetrol and a few heavier body paints. So this paint, for example, that is my golden fluid turquoise, and that can be very fluid, but the Floetrol helped to thicken it up a little bit. But I added a little bit of the Peacock Pearl to it, which is a heavier body paint. So sometimes I use a heavier body paint that coordinates and works with the fluid paint to help thicken it up, because I like my cloud pours a little thinner than my swipes. This right here is this paint with a little bit more of the golden iridescent pearl to lighten it up. This pretty color right here, this is Sargent's Art Acrylics, and that is their copper. But it's a real in-your-face kind of copper, and I didn't want that. So I added a little bit of the Golden Fluids raw sienna to it, and that, guys, made a lovely copper shade with a lot of beautiful warmth, a little bit more matte to it, and I am excited about trying that paint. This right here is Flow Acrylics Artist Loft in the black. And this right here is a satin enamel, but that is DecoArt satin enamel, and that is in the beige. I didn't want to use white in this pour. I want to use the beige, and I find that this satin enamel beige plays really well when it's butted up next to this Artist Loft black. I'm sorry, I had to step away. Lito's daddy just got home and he was going crazy. So I forget where I was. I think it was the Satin Enamel. This is mixed with the pouring medium of Floetrol, a little bit of water because it's a heavier body paint, and I chose this over the white because I think that tan color plays so well with these blues and the coppers, and when you butt it up next to that Artist Loft black, it makes some really pretty effects. So I'm doing a Mack Mack pour today, and I'm really excited. Before I get started, I want to share something with you guys. Look what I got in the mail yesterday. It's the Lido Man, and I am absolutely over the moon about this. This was sent to me by the talented and sweet Bobby Milner. You need to check her out on Facebook. I will post a link and her name and how to spell her last name. She does wonderful, whimsical art. I also own another piece of her art that I am absolutely thrilled with. Bobby, thank you so much. That is certainly my Lido Man's face, and I am very, very grateful for this. Guys, let's put some tunes on. Let's dance around a little bit. Let's be happy. Let's stay healthy, and let's get painting.